At number 1, we have the Metabo Compound Miter Saw. An excellent entry-level option for DIYers and homeowners looking to tackle projects like baseboard molding, trim, frames, and deck boards. It's powered by a robust 15-amp motor, driving a 10-inch blade at 5,000 RPM for efficient cuts. And at just 24 pounds, its lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to move from the workshop to the job site. Precision is key, and the Exact Cut shadow line system clearly marks your cut line for ultimate accuracy. It offers a 0 to 45 degree bevel range and a 52 degree miter range to the left and right, handling a variety of angles. Ideal for most home projects and trim work. Just remember, it's a single bevel saw. Perfect for basic to intermediate needs.
At number 2, we have the Makita cordless miter saw, a trim carpenter's dream. It's incredibly lightweight at just 14.6 pounds, perfect for finish work and easy transport. And with no cord to hold you back, the 18V LXT battery platform gives you total freedom on the job site. The 64-tooth blade delivers flawless, clean cuts every single time, minimizing waste and sanding. Plus, the integrated gooseneck LED light ensures perfect visibility in any lighting condition. The brushless motor and long-lasting battery mean you can work all day without interruption. Whether you're a seasoned finish carpenter, a dedicated DIYer, or a remodeler, this saw is built for you. The Makita cordless miter saw. Unbeatable performance, unbeatable convenience.
At number 3, we have the Bosch Glide Miter Saw. Its innovative axial glide system delivers smooth action and a compact footprint, letting it sit flush against the wall to save valuable workspace. Powered by a 15-amp motor spinning a 12-inch blade at 4,000 RPM, it tackles thick stock with ease. Precision is guaranteed with pre-aligned square lock fences and easy-to-read scales for quick, accurate miter and bevel adjustments. The result is a superior operating experience with smooth movement, a comfortable handle, and a clear guard for excellent visibility. Plus, an effective dust management system helps keep your work area clean. While its 65-pound weight can be a downside for portability, it translates to superior stability during use. The Bosch GCM12SD is a professional-grade choice, delivering uncompromising accuracy and capacity for serious projects.
At number 5, we have the SKIL MS6305-00 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. A best-selling, highly rated, value-oriented powerhouse. Powered by a 15-amp motor running at 4,800 RPM, it makes fast, clean cuts in wood, laminate, and more. Perfect for any project. At number 3, dual bevel convenience. Tilt it left or right with positive stops so you can make precise angled cuts without flipping your material. Number 2, the slide rail system. It delivers an excellent crosscut capacity, handling up to 2 out of 12 inches at 90 degrees. Perfect for wide boards. And the number 1 feature, the LED shadow line system. It projects a precise cut indicator, which is far superior to traditional lasers for ultimate accuracy. Combine all this with a lightweight design and comfortable grip, and you have a saw that's a standout for any workshop. The SKIL MS6305-00.